Students, today we are going to learn about division of profit. In division of profit, we are going to learn profit and loss appropriation account. What is profit and loss appropriation account? Profit and loss appropriation account is a extension of profit and loss account. In partnership, first they will prepare manufacturing account, then trading account, then profit and loss account, then profit and loss appropriation account, then they will prepare balance sheet. So we can say P&L, profit and loss appropriation account, is an extension of profit and loss account. So the output of profit and loss account is net profit should be transferred to the P&L appropriation account. Okay. It is prepared for the purpose of adjusting the certain transaction in relation to the amount due to or the amount due from the partners. It is a nominal account in nature. Okay. Look at the board. We are learning division of profit. In division of profit, we are going to learn preparation of profit and loss appropriation account. The profit and loss appropriation account is an extension of profit and loss account. It is prepared for the purpose of adjusting the transaction relating to the amount due or the amount due from the partners. Yes. The amount due to the partners, the amount payable to the partners, such as interest on capital, partner salary, partner commission and share of profit. Due from the partner is interest on drawing. It will be shown in the profit and loss appropriation account. Next, it is nominal account in nature. I said earlier, in partnership, first they will prepare manufacturing account, then they will prepare trading account, then profit and loss account. After that, they will prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Now, let me see the format of profit and loss appropriation account. Students, let me learn the format or pro forma of profit and loss appropriation account. Yes, look at the board. Profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended. Particulars, particular rupees, debit side, credit side. I said the profit and loss account output net profit should be transferred to the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. So by net profit BD. By net profit BD. Then the amount payable to the partners. The amount payable to the partners, such as first one, interest on capital. Interest on capital. Interest on capital. For example, take A and B are partners. So interest on capital, A and B, A capital, B capital. When capitals are maintaining under fluctuating capital method, if they are maintaining under fixed capital method, instead of capital, we should write A current account, B current account. Students, when amount payable to the partner, it should be debited because it is an expense to interest on capital, to A capital, to B capital, if A, B are partners. If it is fluctuating capital method, we have to specify as to A capital, to B capital. Or else, if it is fixed capital method, we have to write A current account, B current account. Then the second amount payable to the partner, partner salary. Partner salary. A capital, P capital. When capitals are maintaining under fluctuating capital method, or current account when capitals are maintaining under fixed capital method. Then third one, partner commission. Third one, partners commission. A capital, B capital. If it is fixed capital method, we have to write A current account, B current account. So the amount payable to partner, such as interest on capital, partner salary and partner commission. The amount receivable from the partner is interest on drawing, it should be credited. So credit side only two items are recorded, namely net profit given in the question. Another one is interest on drawings. A capital, B capital. When capitals are maintaining under a fluctuating capital method, or we can write a current account when capitals are maintaining under fixed capital method. Now I am going to balance. Always credit side is heavier than debit side. Always credit side total heavier than debit side. The balance should be transferred to the partner's capital account. Partner's capital account transferred. Shared by partners A capital, B capital, or A current account or B current account. The profit shared in agreed ratio. The profit shared in the agreed ratio. If no ratio is given, if partnership deed is silent, partner will share the profit in equal ratio. Yes, students, here we learned the format of profit and loss appropriation account. Now let me see one problem in relation to the P&L appropriation account. Students, let me learn one problem in relation to the profit and loss appropriation account. Look at the board. Durai and Velan entered into partnership agreement on 1st April 2018. Durai contributed 25,000 and Velan contributed 30,000 as capital. So Durai capital 25,000, Velan capital 30,000. Okay. The agreement provided that the profit and loss to be shared in the ratio of 2:3. So Durai and Velan sharing profits in the ratio of 2:3, 2/5 and 3/5. Partners to be entitled to interest on capital at 5% per annum. Interest on drawing to be charged Durai 300, Velan 450 rupees. Durai to receive salary of rupees 5,000 per annum, Velan to receive commission of rupees 2,000. During the year, the firm made a profit of rupees 20,000 before adjusting interest, salary and commission. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So first we have to draw the format. Profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2019. By net profit is given in the question. It is 20,000. So I said credit side net profit and interest on drawing are to be recorded. Other items recorded in the debit side. Capitals are not recorded in the profit and loss appropriation account. Yes. Now profit and loss will, with the help of this we can share the profit. So now we can leave it. Partner to be entitled to interest on capital. So interest on capital, to interest on capital, to interest on capital, payable to Durai, another one is Velan. Here the capital method is not given, so we have to assume this one as fluctuating capital method. So we can write Durai capital, Velan capital. Rate of interest given is 5%. So we have to calculate 5% on capital. So Durai contributed 25,000. On that 25,000 into 5%, it is 1,250. Velan contributed 30,000. On that we will provide 5%, 1,500. So total 2,750. Then interest on capital taken. Second one, interest on drawing. It should be credited by interest on drawing. Interest on drawing here given Durai capital, Velan capital. The interest on drawing we need not ascertain given the question. Interest on drawing to be charged 300 Durai, 450 Velan, totally 750. Next, Durai to receive salary of 5,000 per annum. So, to partner salary payable only to the partner salary payable only to the Durai. So, to Durai capital. Here we are paying salary only to the Durai. So, we can write directly in the outer column. Here 5,000 per annum is given. We can write in the amount column. If per month is given, it should be multiplied by 12. Yes. Next, Velan to receive commission. So commission, partner commission payable only to the Velan capital. The commission value is given. Velan to receive commission of rupees 2,000. So payable only to the particular partner. So we can write in the outer column. Then during the year the firm earned profit already recorded. Then we have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Now I am going to balance the P&L appropriation account. Always credit side total heavier than debit side total. So if we deduct the debit side total, we'll get balancing figure. That amount transferred to partners capital account, transferred to Durai capital, another one is Velan capital. So the balancing figure, so 7,000, 9,000, so 20,750 minus 9,750 will get 11,000. That 11,000 should be divided in the ratio of 2:3, which means 2 by 5, 3 by 5. 2 by 5 goes to Durai, 3 by 5 goes to the Velan. So 11,000 into 2 by 5, 11,000 into 3 by 5. If we divide, we'll get 4,400, 6,600. Students, we completed profit and loss appropriation account without calculation of commission. In next class, we will solve one problem which includes the P&L appropriation with calculation of commission.